Subui. Okay. So, have you also worked on Node.js?
Node.js?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Actually, before 3 years, I was working in Node.js. 6 month experience in Node.js. Uh,
So, have you created APIs and all?
uh, API, yes, only a few things, sir. Not much more. Hmm. Like insert, delete, this one only. Not
Okay,
operations.
got it. So, you understand how Node works?
Um, Node, first we'll install the Node and Node version, and then we are installing some cores and their port also. This one inside the public, and there are some many folders in the Node. Some JS file is there.
Okay, so do you know how event loop works in Node?
Event loop. Uh, no, sir.
Got it. Okay. So, I can say you are kind of beginner in Node.
Yes, sir. You can say. Actually, only 6 months I worked. Only that's it. Only few things. Yeah.
Okay, understood. Okay, coming to React, React, you said 3 years of experience in React. Right? So,
Yes,
you have
sir.
worked with class-based components or functional components?
Both.
So, which one do you like?
Sir, currently I'm working in class component, but earlier I was working in functional hooks in a functional component.
So, out of the two, which one do you like?
Mm, uh, so same out of the two or one.
Correct. Which one?
Um Functional component or class component.
So, you like
Class.
functional component?
Uh, okay, functional component.
You're not sure on what
No,
do you like?
actually, sir, actually, I'm partially work. Na, before I was working in functional component, but from last 1.5 years, I'm working in class component. So that's why you can
So, is
ask.
class component?
Yes,
So, is class component better or functional component is better?
from my side, functional
Yeah.
component is better. Yeah.
Okay, what advantage do you get over class-based components?
In class-based components, there are first of all is a life cycle method is using. So, but in functional component, there is no life cycle. It is a use effect we are using, and some code we are seeing is a code purpose. So coding is also less in functional component. Here is using in a hooks and functional component and class component. Uh, Class component is um, and class component we are using a state and props also. If you want to passing one data to another component, so we are using props, and in a class component we are using state. This is only for use in state, but in functional component is a use state hooks we are using. So these are the and arrow function is also in using in functional component. So this one. Hello.
Yeah, got it. Understood. Okay, have you worked with responsive design
Media query.
using media query you have done?
Yes, media query, or I think some grade for Bootstrap, like a media query we are using.
Okay.
Sorry?
Okay. Okay. And have you worked with any unit testing framework?
No, sir.
Okay. So you mentioned you have worked with Under Armour, Fila, and Proline,
Yeah,
Bed Bath, and
this is my current company project. So Under Armour, Fila and Proline, this is almost a e-commerce project. So I have done this, and this is basically depends on the Scandi PWA React.js. So we are installing the Scandi PWA. So in node modules there are many components is in node modules. So if you want to update any components, so we can override that component. For example, this is a login page. In node module is in also existing these components login page. So if you want to update in login component, so you can just override some extension is there, scanty pwa override and file name. So then you want update. So these are the mainly work with scanty pwa in react.js, Fila, Proline and Under Armour.
understood. Got it. So you have already resigned from your current company?
Yes, sir.
When is your last day?
30th of June.
Okay. And you might be having some offer, right?
No, sir. Actually, I just started from day before yesterday. Started the interview.
Oh, without any offer, you actually resign?
Yes, sir. Actually, I'm in bench because these three project has been finished. So, in there is no any other project. So that's why. Yeah, or they can immediately release me also. Mm.
Okay. What was your notice period?
Notice period is 15 days.
So you resigned 1 week before
Yes,
or last week?
15. Yeah.
Got it. Understood. And you have worked on Angular as well?
Yes, sir. Angular before React means 3 years before I worked. I worked in
Oh,
Angular. Yeah,
okay, long back.
long back. Yeah. That time
Okay.
the
So,
Angular, I don't know today is what the version was. That time is Angular. Last year maybe Angular 8 is coming, 8 or 10 I think. But I worked in Angular 2 and Angular 4. Mm.
okay, so which, according to you, which one is better, React,
React,
Angular?
sir. React, sir. React. Yeah.
Much easier.
Yeah, it is actually easier because Angular is every 6 month version has changed and new features is also is coming came in Angular, so it is very difficulty for understanding. But in React is very easy to understand, so that's why.
Got it. Okay. Okay, I think that pretty much should be from my side. Any questions from your end?
Mm, no, sir.
Okay. All right. Thanks, Subhi. Nice talking to you.
Okay.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Yeah.